Hello friends, I am your e-dentist and root canal specialist Dr. Uday Mahane. Today we are going to discuss the most burning topic, how to avoid dental expenses. Taking care of your body is as same as maintaining your car. If you do not do the required work today, you may end up spending more money in future. Let's take an example of your car's disc brakes. Due to wear and tear of many years of usage of the car, the mechanic tells you to change the brake pad this month. He tells it would cost few hundred rupees. For some reason, the brake pad worked fine and you avoided replacing it and you used it for another 6 months. And nothing happened. After 6 months, unpleasant noise started coming from the car while applying the brakes. Due to your busy schedule, you drove with the same noise for another 1 month. One fine day, you took out some time from your busy schedule and went to the mechanic to change the brake pad. This time, mechanic gives you the budget of 3 to 4,000 rupees. Because at this time, not only the brake pad was completely worn out, but also the discs are gone. And now the brake pad and disc both needs to be replaced. You are wise enough to realize from this example what I am trying to explain. If you have not restored your tooth with the cement on time, you have to go for the root canal and cap procedure. If the root canal is not done in time, you have your tooth to be extracted. If you go for tooth extraction, you have to go for the tooth replacement options, and then the list of treatment goes on increasing. Here are 3 things which you can do to keep your teeth healthy for the rest of your life by spending minimal amount. 1. Go to your dentist and get the necessary treatment done at the right time. 2. Get the dental checkups done every 6 months, whether your tooth is in pain or not. 3. Clean your teeth and gums at home daily as advised by your dentist. The first point, which you should get treatment done on time, we have already seen the example of your vehicle's disc brake. The second point is regular dental checkups. Now, why is it necessary to have regular dental checkup? Most of your teeth are arranged in such a way that you cannot see them directly into the mirror. So it is impossible to know at home whether there is any tooth decay or not. Me being a dentist, even I cannot tell if my upper teeth are having caries or not just by looking into the mirror. So I have to get my teeth checked from the fellow dentist friend to know the caries in the upper teeth. If any hidden caries remain untreated, it will create a pain in future, and that time you will realize there is a tooth caries. But that time even required treatment is also increased. The third most important thing is to clean your teeth and gum regularly, because 90% of the dental problem, they are caused due to the improper brushing. Your dentist knows exactly how to clean your teeth and gums. Your dentist can guide you well to maintain your oral hygiene. I have uploaded another video to know why it is necessary to learn brushing technique from a dentist. Definitely watch it. In short, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on dental treatment, if you don't wish to undergo much of the dental treatment, then you should maintain proper oral hygiene, get your teeth checked from your dentist once in 6 months, and get your treatment at the right time. Keep these 3 things in mind. Take care. See you in next video. Thank you.